Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add a song to a playlist on Soundcloud. To do that, the first step you need to take is locate the song you want to add. Tap on the three dots or waveform under the track title. This icon can be found under the track's waveform or under the track title, that is the three dots. Next, choose the option from the menu that says Add to Playlist. Then choose a playlist. You can select an existing playlist also from the list. But if you want to use a new playlist, click on the plus icon or create a new playlist. To create a new playlist and add a song to it, and that's it. You successfully added the song to your playlist. You can also create playlists for different modes, genres, or occasions. You can reorder songs within a playlist by dragging and dropping them. You can also share your playlist with others on SoundCloud. If you want to know how to share your playlist, check out the video we made on how to share playlists or how to make your playlist public. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.